Hello my dear children, this is your computer teacher. In computers, today we will continue with the chapter 11, that is Internet Services. I have already explained the chapter. Today we will do the exercises. So let's get started. So let's start with the filling the blanks. Here we have the first question. A dash is a discussion area on a website where people with common interest can communicate in the form of posted messages. The answer is forum. As you know, forum is the discussion area on the website where people with common interest can communicate and talk to each other. Question number 2 is dash is a new form of communication in which user can describe their status in the short post. As we know, माइक्रोब्लॉगिंग में क्या करते हैं लोग शॉर्ट पोस्ट की फॉर्म में अपना स्टेटस अपडेट कर देते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन कर लेते हैं. सो द राइट आंसर इज माइक्रोब्लॉगिंग. Now the question number 3 is a tweet is restricted up to dash characters. ट्विटर में आप लोग जो ट्वीट करते हैं, जो मैसेजेस डालते हैं, they are restricted to 140 characters. उसमें केवल 140 characters आप डाल सकते हैं. So this is the right answer. Now the question number 4 is a dash is an email is a text which is automatically added to your outgoing mail. I have already told you that we can make a personalized test as signature and that signature is automatically added to every mail. हमारा जो signature हम बनाते हैं वो हमारे हर मेल के साथ automatically नीचे अटैच होके जाता है. So the right answer is signature. Now the question number 5 is dash is a process of sending and receiving text based messages over the internet. As we know, text based messages जो हम बोलते हैं that is called email. So the right answer is email. Email is the process of sending and receiving text based messages over the internet. Now the question number 6 is OneDrive is a free online storage facility offered by dash. So OneDrive is offered by which company? Microsoft. So the right answer is Microsoft.
Now let's learn the true false. First question is Twitter is an online social networking website. As we know, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, these all are social networking sites. So this is true.
Right answer.
The second question is pop-ups are extra browser windows for online storage. As we know, pop-ups are not for online storage. Pop-up are the extra windows. जब हम लोग ब्राउजिंग करते हैं तो कुछ विंडोज ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप से खुल जाती हैं, एडवर्टाइज करती हैं. So they are called pop-ups. So this is false.
Right answer.
Third question is Microsoft originally offered 25 GB free storage space to OneDrive users. Yes, this is true.
Right answer.
Question number 4 is the same mail can be sent to many persons by typing their email addresses separated by semicolon. As we know, we can send the same mail to many people by separating their mail using the comma, not by semicolon. So this is false.
Right answer.
Question number 5 is a contact once saved in the contact list cannot be edited. As we know, we can edit the contacts as many times as we want. So this is saying wrong and this is false.
Right answer.
Question number 6 is you can group and store one type of contacts in a group. As we know, we can create the groups and store the one type of contacts in that group. So this is true.
Right answer.
Now let's learn the ABQs. The first question is Arjun is a student. He studies in one of the most prestigious boarding schools of Pune. His mother's birthday is approaching next week and he wants to send her an electronic greeting card. Suggest him some e-greeting websites. As I have told you in this chapter, हमारी कुछ websites हैं which provide us the facility to send the e-greetings to our friends and relatives. So कौन-कौन सी sites हैं? We have to give here some suggestions. So first is 123greetings.com and second is archiesonline.com. So these two websites name you have to write an answer. Now see the second question. Now the second question is Radhika is an aspiring writer. She wants to create an account in a social networking site where she can follow some well-known writers and receive their messages. Help her to choose one of the best online social networking services for this purpose. Means एक हमारी दादिका है जो राइटर है, राइटिंग करती हैं, वो सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स पे कुछ राइटर्स को फॉलो करना चाह रही हैं जिनसे उन्हें कुछ सजेशंस मिल जाएं। तो कौन सी सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स के बारे में आप जानते हैं? यू हैव टू गिव हियर सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स। सो आंसर इज ट्विटर, फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, इंस्टाग्राम. These all are social networking sites using which we can follow other people. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let us learn the MCQs. The first question is, an email address consists of two parts separated by dash symbol. As we know, the username and domain name are the two parts of email address which are separated by @ sign. So the right answer is @
Right answer.
Second question is, an email address cannot contain dash. An email address can contain alphabet, numbers also it can contain, but it cannot contain spaces. So the right answer is spaces.
Right answer.
Third question is, dash are extra browser windows of commercials that open automatically while browsing web pages. मीन्स कुछ हमारी कमर्शियल्स ऑटोमेटिक विंडोज होती हैं जो अपने आप से खुल जाती हैं जब हम लोग ब्राउजिंग करते हैं, तो उन विंडोज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? पॉपअप.
Right answer.
तो पॉपअप क्या है? कुछ ऑटोमेटिकली विंडोज ऑटोमेटिकली खुल जाती हैं हमारी जब हम लोग ब्राउजिंग करते हैं तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट करने के लिए, तो कमर्शियल्स जो होते हैं वो भेजते हैं. सो द राइट आंसर इज पॉपअप. Question number 4 is, Dash is the founder of Twitter. As we know, Jack Dorsey is the founder of Twitter.
Right answer.
So children, this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.